Hey everyone, want to help Bing crawl and index your website faster? In this video, we'll show you how to submit your sitemap in Bing Webmaster Tools. This helps search engines understand our site better and index our pages more efficiently. A sitemap in Bing Webmaster Tools is an XML, RSS, or text file we submit to help Bing discover, crawl, and index all relevant URLs, images, and videos on our website, including those that might be missed. It acts as a roadmap, making sure our important content is indexed quickly and is more visible in search results. The purpose of submitting our sitemap in Bing Webmaster Tools is to help Bing find, crawl, and index our website more efficiently. By submitting a sitemap, we give Bing a structured list of our site's pages, so important content is found, indexed correctly, and kept up to date in search results. Let's go through the process together in a simple way. First, open your browser. Go to www.bing.com. Once the page loads, go to the search bar and click. Type Bing Webmaster Tool. You'll see the results page. Look for Bing Webmaster Tool and click on it. Now we are in the Webmaster Tool. Here, we can import our sitemaps directly or add them manually. If we have already saved our sitemap, we can import it here, or we can enter it manually in the site URL field. A sitemap in Bing Ads helps Bing understand and access your website better. It allows Bing to discover and crawl your landing pages faster, which reduces ad approval issues like broken or unreachable URLs. It also supports dynamic search ads, helping Bing automatically target the right pages. While it doesn't directly improve ad ranking or lower costs, a sitemap improves page relevance, trust, and overall campaign stability, making your ads run more smoothly and reliably. That's it. We've now submitted our sitemap to Bing Webmaster Tools. This will help search engines crawl and index our site more efficiently. Keeping our sitemap updated makes sure our content gets discovered faster.